Ever felt like you're so tired and you just want to relax? Same. Hi, I am Melanie from the Green Meow, and we have just launched a year-end self-care package because let's face it, we have worked really hard this whole year of 2020 and we deserve a break. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first step after a long day is to wash our face, remove our makeup, and then wash our face. And I like to wash my face with the face soap that is in the package, and I'm using a soap called Milk Honey and Oats. I personally use the Milk Honey and Oats soap because my skin is very dry. So Milk Honey and Oats really nourishes my dry skin as well as giving it the hydration that it needs. Plus, it is not harsh at all on my dry skin because it does not contain any SLS that will strip away additional moisture from my skin after cleansing. You can check out all the soaps at the Green Meow to see which soaps that are suitable for your skin. So after we cleanse our skin, of course, we will need to follow up with toner that will balance out the pH levels of our skin in order for skincare to be readily absorbed into the skin. So we are using from the self-care set as well, which is the Sprinkles Balancing Face Toner with pH 2.5. So this toner is perfect for people with acne skin because it is acidic, hence it has antimicrobial properties that is good to cleanse the pores as well as tighten the skin. So what you can do is you can spray directly on the face, or you can even spray on a cotton pad and then you wipe it all over your face. Another trick is to do a toner masking technique, which is to spray a lot of the toner on the cotton pad until it's very soaked and place it at your acne areas. So this will give it like extra concentrated effect on the acne, and you leave that for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so after toner is you put your own moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. So now I'm gonna go offline and I'm going to put on my own moisturizer. Bye!
A few moments later.
So after I'm well moisturized, I'm going to go to the next step, which is spraying my face with the Refreshing Face Mist with pH 6. So this spray not only helps balance the pH levels on your skin, but it also provides deep hydration to your skin, as well as helping to reduce wrinkles. So I'm going to spray this now on my face. And you can actually spray this whenever you feel like your skin needs additional hydration boost. Even when you're outside, when you wear all your makeup, you can even spray it on top of makeup just to make sure your face is looking fresh and hydrated. And the last crucial step is to use the Jade Roller. Not only because it looks so good and that it's very Instagrammable, but it actually provides a lot of benefits to your skin. So jade is a very popular semi-precious stone that has some healing properties. So this stone is also very cooling to the touch. You can even intensify the coolness by putting it in the fridge, and then you can use it in the morning to depuff your face. As well as the massage motion of this Jade Roller over your skin helps with the lymphatic drainage and improves blood circulation. Hence, it could help with anti-aging. So how to use this Jade Roller is you first start with rolling your face towards your ear from the cheeks. You can do this like 5 times, 5 to 10 times, and then repeat on the other side of your face. Next, you can go to your neck, which you put it from down to up motions, and you can do this for 5 to 10 times. Okay, next is you do your forehead. You can start from the middle and you do it like 5 to 10 times each portion of the forehead. And then now you're gonna move on to the small part of the Jade Roller, and you can use this to massage your eye like very gently outwards. You can do this 5 to 10 times as well, and then do it on the other side. Or if you feel that it's a little bit too difficult for you to go right at the under eye, you can actually use this motion, this very light motion, to very lightly massage your under eye. And I also like to do it along the bridge of my nose. You can do it 5 to 10 times as well. And then even at the eyebrows using the small part, just to give it like more blood circulation at that area. Repeat at the other side. And lastly, you can use it at the jawline with the small part. Next is you use that same part and then you just go a little bit harder on that part. And so we are all done. So let's recap what is inside the year-end self-care set. First is you get a choice of a face soap that will be available at the Green Meow, so you can read at the descriptions and decide which is suitable for your skin and put it in the message on which soaps to get. And these face soaps also come with soap dish, and then you can cover it and it's good to go. It's really nice and portable. And you will also get the Plain Beauty Sprinkles Mist and also the very classy Jade Roller in this set. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial for the year-end self-care set, which is available on the Green Meow for limited time only until year-end. Normal price for these products are 104 ringgit, but we are having this promotion, which is the price 70 ringgit only. So get it while stocks last. Bye!